Hi everyone, today we are going to review a cat toy I found on AliExpress. This is a self-running ball, can run on the floor as well as on the carpet. It has 3 different scenarios: a fast mode, slow mode and interactive mode. It also has some sound that you can turn on or off. It came in a nice small box. So let's see what is inside. So there is a USB cable, so say goodbye to batteries. There are 2 attachments included. And the ball itself. And this is the charging point. There is also instruction included. And this is the ball with the attachment already. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the ball. A red light will be flashing while charging, and when it's fully charged, the red light will stay on, but it won't be flashing. To turn the ball on or off, you just press and hold for a couple seconds the power button. To switch between the modes, you just do short press 1 time. Quick mode will be blue light on, purple light for slow mode, and yellow light for interactive mode. To turn on or off the sound, you just do short press twice. So after playing, when cats don't play, the ball will go on standby for about an hour, then make some sound to attract the cats, and when they touch it, it will be activated and run around again. So I hope my cats will have a lot of fun with this ball. So thank you for watching and hope you'll like this toy. Bye.